Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to join with a Meeting ID Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to join with a Meeting ID Microsoft Teams on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. Just point the cursor to the left of the screen. Here there are several icons. And tap this camera icon. Here a menu like this will appear. Here there are several menu options. Tap Join with a Meeting ID. Now here the input menu will appear. Here you will be asked to enter the meeting ID and you will also be asked to enter the meeting password. Now after finishing tap Join Meeting. You will automatically enter the meeting that you will join. This method is usually specifically for meetings that only certain people are participating in. So that's it, the tutorial how to join with a Meeting ID Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.